Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss Cloud Foundation. Cloud Foundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay. So when you are going and opening a manager of your pay structure, so going into the location if you want to go and see a record, you can go to the location and you can open that record for Bangalore or Mumbai or Hyderabad. You can see the record which is already maintained because that is already created in the system. Okay. So that is the reason I explained to you. There are two concepts. One is creating the record is one thing and maintaining the objects and the fields, it is at rest. Other place. That is in the provision. Okay. I missed him now. So that is one thing. So now when I go into in the front end, there are two ways. That is, manage of job based of an import formation data. And also I just want to add up before going into the system. So initially, when they were having foundation objects, all these foundation objects were coming under a single place. Both when we are defining it in the XML as well as in manager of the pay structure. Then what happened in the previous years? Releases what SAP has done. They introduced another feature that is called as a metadata framework. We call as a MDF object. Okay, and this object, MDF object, is also derived from the foundation only. The purpose of deriving this MDF object from the foundation. The reason is that to identify the important organization structure from the foundation. And those important organizations structure has been migrated from the foundation to the MDF object. So in the previous year, what happened earlier? There was only one object, that is, foundation. From the foundation, they have created another object that is called as a MDF metadata framework. And what they have done? They moved some important objects from the foundation to the MDF. And those objects, now it has been maintained and created from the MDF side, not from the foundation side. So in foundation those objects we cannot able to go and see while creating the records. And also we cannot able to go and see where, while searching in the XMLs, also got it. Yes, now these objects. We have the important objects which has been migrated from the foundation to the metadata framework. These objects are legal entities. Important objects, legal entity business unit division department. Job classification position. Okay, these are important cost center. These are important objects which has been moved into the metadata framework, which also includes the pay scale area, pay scale type, pay scale level. All these things has been moved into the MDF. So in the foundation mainly the left power objects are location, location group pay component group JSON. Then you have even reason wallet flow dynamic rule. So these are something which is still there in the foundation object. So any of these records which I named right now for foundation, these records, if we want to go and create a record in the foundation, we will be using manager of the pay structure. and these objects are still being defined in the this one, what you call XML, that is, POP read data model. Okay. Any questions here? No. Okay. So coming into the system. So I am going into the manager of the other instance. Okay. So now you can see here this is a screen which is used for manager of the pay structure. And you have a search option. You can select the foundation of the firm here and you can search for the records. This is the place where you can able to go and create the records for the foundation object. So you can see. These are the left power foundation object which are there in the manager of the patient. So you can see here. It can be able to see here. Locate in the location, page, grade, pay, component, frequency, dynamic role, event presentation, workflow and event. Okay. So then go here the same thing. It will record. So in here. So if I go and select the location and if I select any of the location. So now you can see this is the foundation object. Okay. This is the record for the foundation object, right as the word. These are the code for the foundation of that right. Now effective. Date, location, ID, name, description, status, location, group, time zone, all these things. From where it is coming? These are coming from conventioning. Yeah, flow wasting firm. A proper data model, right? Yes. So yet we are filling this the things which are in right. Sorry. So yeah, we are just filling those values. Yes. So it is a case where you are trying to create the all derivation record structure here. Okay. Defining the structure is maintained in flow region. Okay. Creating the record, it is maintained in the front-end system. Okay. Now, I created a record here. Somebody has created a record by Air Dubai. Okay. When I am hiring, then for that I am to select the location. So when I am selecting the location, I should get the record right, which is already been created. So that is the reason. This is a place where you are going and creating the record. Now you can see the location. You have a standard fields. Are there, okay? Location, ID name. All these are the standard fields as well as we have the custom fields. Okay. That is one thing, and we can also see. When you are going creating a record, then we can see one object is again associated or linked with the another object. Yeah, location and legal entity, okay. This configuration also is done in the provision, okay. That is the reason this object is coming here, okay. Although this is an MDF object. But how to link, how to associate a foundation object and an MDF object, that is, to the association which we are doing it in the provision? Okay. So when we are setting the configuration in the XML code, then it will be automatically reflecting it in the front-end system. Okay. Now, when we are creating a record for the location and you have selected the entity by this name. So, but it means this legal entity record will be linked or mapped with this particular location record, right?
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.